Welcome. Follow me is an INFINIX Note 12, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. Now to get started, you'll need to hold your power button and from there hold power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. Once you see the INFINIX logo, let go of the power key. Now when you see the XOS with no command, hold the power button, press volume up, and this will redirect you to recovery mode. Now in here you can select either reboot to bootloader or fastboot or enter fastboot, which both of them do the same exact thing. Now obviously I did say that this will be about fastboot mode, and I will select this reboot to bootloader as a proof of this. So you select it using volume buttons and you then confirm it using power button, and as you can see it takes you to Fastboot mode, which you can see right over here. So that is how you boot into this mode. Now to leave it, simply hold power button till the screen turns off. And once it turns off, you can let go of the power button and the phone will turn on its own. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.